Okay, let's talk about your grant business or the grant business that you're hoping to start a little bit more. This is something that I find really amusing. I see a lot of trainings going on. I see a lot of conferences and different trade association events. And you know what I see them do? A lot of times I see them talk about the importance of grant writing, which is important, and they share insight about how to do grant writing research and different techniques about things that are going on today, which is very important. But I rarely see them sharing with those who know the skill of grant writing how to go about growing this into a viable business and showing you how to actually begin to have clients be attracted to you so that you can get paid for your services. So that leaves me kind of scratching my head. So I want to share with you one big mistake that I see happen over and over with a lot of businesses. They don't know how to market. In fact, no one has really taught them how to market effectively so that their ideal clients begin to become attracted to them. I prepare a training to help you so that you won't find yourself in that same situation. And this training is called the 6-Figure Grant Business Training. There's a link around here somewhere below on the side. I want to invite you to sign up right now to come and join me. And I'm going to point out a number of problem areas, but not just the problems. I'm going to give you some tangible, concrete solutions, things you can do right now to start fixing this so that you're not just a grant writer, so that you can take this and you can monetize it and grow a viable business that will thrive. So sign up now. I'll see you soon, and I look forward to sharing some great insight with you. Take charge.